One thing I also forgot to mention about this station is that this is also the terminus for some commuter services from Dublin. Normally they stop in this platform right here, platform 3, because this has got buffers. This is where 072 is sitting at the moment. 072. 072 needs a bit of a wash up, see? Body's in a bit of a rusty way. The smell. It's got a lot of writing on it. You have the cab in there. Here we're at Dundalk. Here we're Station Dundalk Station. Oh. Well, this is the second station to be put on, third station to be put onto the YouTube channel after, or is it the fourth? Because we had Hazelhatch and Selbridge, Malahide, Clongriffin, Connolly, Tara Street, and now Dundalk. So we're making our way back to platform 2, and also, well, I heard a buzzing from my phone. I nearly dropped my Coke onto the ground, but I just put it down gently. So, now, that'll do it for now. So, see you next time.